everyone, Jeff Klaubert here with the EstesGroup. ERP is your primary business application for you as a modern manufacturer. So it has a long life cycle, typically 7 to 10 years or even longer. So I'm guessing you've been running the same ERP platform for roughly that same amount of time, am I right? Here's the challenge though, nothing remains the same for that long these days. The world just moves so fast. In fact, I'm guessing that your business today is different in many ways than it was 10 years ago or even 7 years ago. So if your ERP system hasn't kept up with the changes in your business and the changes in the industry, it's holding you back. It's become a technical constraint or a bottleneck preventing growth and innovation in your company. And you know you can't afford that in today's marketplace. But the fact that you're watching this video suggests that you're already down the path of evaluating solutions, either upgrading your current platform to the latest release or perhaps implementing something completely new that will enable you to run your business in new and different ways and even implement new business models. Because as a leading manufacturer, I'm sure you realize the pitfalls of running on obsolete technology. Namely, it prevents you from implementing today's manufacturing best practices. And are you struggling to implement digital technologies like social, mobile, cloud computing, or data analytics in your business? Because without these technologies, you can't make the fast, data-driven decisions required to have the agility and innovation at the speed of business today. And you know, we see a lot of companies that they struggle. They've got data silos and they're incompatible with each other. They can't look across the entire enterprise. And they've got code customizations that can actually block their opportunity to take advantage of the latest functionality. So you may be concerned about losing the customizations that you require to run your business today if you upgrade to the latest platform. And let's talk about your data. You know, do you have good data integrity or is it stale? You know, it's just the nature of systems and even human beings that we decay over time, we atrophy. So if you haven't been performing good data hygiene regularly, that may also be a concern for you. We hear that quite often in terms of why companies haven't upgraded because they know the data migration is going to be a real challenge. So at this point you're saying, yes, Jeff, I get all that. That's why I'm researching my solutions. Well, terrific. We're on the same page. And you know, the great news is there is a solution for all of this. And you know, for many manufacturers, it's time to move to the cloud. You know, we call it digital transformation. Whatever the name you use, it's all the same process. And you know, you've heard it time and time again. And it may sound daunting, and you certainly don't want to disrupt your business, but you know you have to do it. And on the other side is a much better, more profitable and agile business. But you absolutely shouldn't do this alone, and that's why I'm talking with you today. At the EstesGroup, we've been helping mid-market manufacturers make these types of transitions successfully since 2004. Our successful ERP implementation rate is 3 times the industry average. So we can make this happen for you on time, on budget, with minimal disruption to your business. Several years ago, we started evaluating cloud ERP for manufacturers. And we chose NetSuite and became a NetSuite solution provider because they pioneered cloud ERP 10 years ago. They've been doing this for a long time. And over the last several years, they've made the investments necessary to support both light and heavy manufacturing. We know because we're experts in manufacturing and distribution processes. Our consultants come from the industry. They've run the same applications you're running today or are considering implementing in your business. So when we base our own business on the NetSuite platform, that decision is based on our own experience implementing ERP and driving business process change with and for our clients. So you can trust us to pick the right platform, and we picked NetSuite. So invest an hour of your time and let's do a digital process review and see how ready we both are for your own digital transformation. I'm Jeff Klaubert, and we'd love to talk with you.